So this is verse 37 of the Pranaya Gita, where the gopis are replying to Krishna's discouraging words in the beginning of the chapter. They're using so many examples of other people that attain Krishna's mercy and other devotees that attain Krishna's shelter and mercy. But what about us? We're standing right in front of you and we're begging for your mercy. Shriyat padambuja rajascha kame tulasya ladvapi vakshasi padam kila britya jushtam yasya savikshana utanya sura prayasas Tadvadvayam chattava padaraja prapana. Padaraja. Gopis are speaking, the Braja gopis are speaking to Krishna on the banks of the Yamuna on the full moon night of the Ras Leela. Hesha, Sri Devi, whose glance all the demigods seek and petition with great endeavor, has achieved the unique position of always being on the chest of her Lord Narayan. Nevertheless, Lakshmi Devi desires the dust of her husband's feet. And at Narayan's feet, Lakshmi Devi has to share the dust of her husband's feet with the tulsi leaves resting there, and all the other devotees who are always meditating on the charan chinna of the Lord. So meditation means touching. You can touch the Lord with your hands, you can touch the Lord with your hearts, and we can touch the Lord with our minds. It's called manasparsha. So if we think of Krishna, that means we're touching Krishna with our minds. As we think of Krishna at the time of death, that means we're touching Krishna at the time of death. And we touch Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, at the time of death, and remember him and think of him and touch him with our loving surrendered minds. And surely, without a doubt, we will go directly to Krishna. Yam yam vapi swaran bhavam tyajat yanta klevaram tam tam evaiti konteya sada tad bhavam bhavitam. Gita 8:6.